Welcome to the Learn Mechanical Engineering channel. I'm Ahmed, and in this video, we will discuss the fire protection system. We will specifically focus on hydrants, hydrant, HDPE pipes, and fire cabinets, Yangın Dolapları. Stay with us. This is a 200 square meter factory project, and this is the fire protection plan designed using AutoCAD. The system primarily consists of 4 hydrants, as shown in the plan. They are positioned at each corner of the factory's exterior, and their function is to supply fire trucks with water in case of a fire. These hydrants are connected to HDPE pipes, which are installed underground at a depth of 1 meter to ensure effective water supply to the hydrants. HDPE pipes are chosen for their distinctive features, such as corrosion resistance and ability to withstand high pressures, ensuring the system's durability and efficiency during emergencies. Here are some images illustrating HDPE pipes, which are made of high-density polyethylene, HDPE, and are primarily used for water and liquid transportation in infrastructure projects. These pipes are known for their ability to withstand high pressures and their high resistance to corrosion and chemicals. Due to these features, HDPE pipes are an ideal choice for water supply systems in fire protection systems as well as for sewage and water networks. Key advantages of HDPE pipes: corrosion resistance. They are not easily affected by chemicals or environmental factors. High flexibility. This makes installation easier in areas prone to ground movements. Long lifespan. They can last for extended periods without requiring intensive maintenance. High strength. They can withstand the high pressures they may face in firefighting systems. The sizes of HDPE pipes vary depending on the number of hydrants used in the project. In this project, 4 hydrants were used, so DN110 size was selected for the HDPE pipes to meet the system's needs effectively. DN110 size means that the internal diameter of the pipe is 110 mm. The pipe size is determined based on several factors such as water pressure, transport distance, and number of hydrants. In this project, this size was chosen to ensure an adequate water flow to the 4 hydrants with the ability to withstand high pressure during emergencies. Detailed explanation of DN110 size. Internal diameter. DN110 allows a large volume of water to pass, contributing to the system's efficiency. Pressure. The pipes are tested to ensure they can withstand high pressures, especially during fires when large amounts of water are required. Effective water distribution. This size ensures balanced water distribution to all hydrants, ensuring the system's effectiveness during emergencies. After digging to a depth of 1 meter, fine sand is poured into the bottom of the trench before placing the HDPE pipes. The purpose of this step is to protect the pipes from damage that may occur due to rocks or other materials that could crack the pipes or cause leaks. If the fine sand is not poured, rocks or sharp objects could create holes in the pipes, leading to water leaks or even the failure of the system. Detailed explanation of the importance of pouring fine sand. Protecting pipes from damage. The fine sand acts as a protective layer around the pipes, reducing the risk of friction with rocks or stones during digging or transport. Preventing leaks. With the sand layer in place, the likelihood of leaks caused by uneven pressure or impact with rocks is minimized. Ensuring pipe stability. Sand helps to stabilize the pipes in the ground, preventing unwanted movement due to ground shifts or vibrations from heavy equipment. Improving performance. Thanks to this protection, the pipes remain in good condition over the long term and function efficiently without issues related to water leakage. After installing the pipes around the factory completely, the pipe is routed into the building to supply the sprinkler line, if present, or the fire cabinet line, Yangın Dolapları, with water. This step is essential to ensure an adequate water supply for the fire protection system inside the building. The pipes are connected properly to ensure water flow to all points that require supply, such as sprinklers and fire cabinets, enhancing the system's effectiveness during emergencies. Detailed explanation of this process. Supplying sprinklers. When a sprinkler system is in place, the pipes are connected to provide a continuous water supply during a fire, helping to extinguish the fire quickly. Supplying fire cabinets. For fire cabinets, the pipes are connected to supply water when firefighting teams need it for fire suppression. Ensuring adequate pressure. Through this process, it is ensured that there is sufficient pressure in the lines to provide water efficiently to the critical points inside the factory. In this project, the black pipe shown in the previous video is the HDPE pipe. Now, let's explain about the fire cabinets, Yangın Dolapları, in this two-story factory. 18 water tanks have been used to supply the system. The pipes used inside the factory to feed these tanks are either black pipes, siyah boru, or galvanized pipes, galvanized boru. Galvanized pipes are the most resistant, and are generally used in high-risk situations. The type of pipe is chosen based on the risk level in the factory. If there is high risk, such as the presence of flammable materials or industrial processes that pose a significant threat, galvanized pipes, galvanized boru, should be used to provide the highest level of safety in the system. If the risks are lower, black pipes, siyah boru, can be used. The image shown displays black pipes, siyah boru, and galvanized pipes, galvanized boru, as well as water tanks. These tanks are connected to the pipes after being securely fixed to ensure system integrity and prevent any leakage. The tanks contain valves, vana, to control water flow, and a 30-meter flexible hose is used when there is a need to deliver water to distant areas within the facility or to areas that are difficult to reach directly using the fixed pipes. These hoses are chosen for their flexibility and ease of use, allowing for quick maneuvering and directing water to the required points efficiently. Detailed explanation of tanks, valves, and the hose. Tanks act as a water backup supply used during emergencies, such as fires. They are securely connected to the pipes to ensure water is available at all times. Valves, vana, these allow control over the water flow within the system, enabling operators to easily open or close the water flow according to the system's needs. Flexible hose, 30 meters. This hose is flexible, allowing access to hard-to-reach areas that cannot be covered by fixed pipes. It is used to distribute water from the tanks to critical points within the factory or to spread water to areas that need fire suppression. Now, I will leave you with the video where I will explain about the fire extinguisher, Yangın Dolapları, in detail. We will discuss its importance in the factory and how to use it properly. Yangın Dolapları is an essential firefighting device, used for small to medium fires to stop them before they escalate and pose a greater threat. Detailed explanation of Yangın Dolapları. Types of fire extinguishers. There are different types of extinguishers based on the type of fire they handle. Water extinguishers, used for fires involving solid materials like wood or paper. Foam extinguishers, used for fires caused by flammable liquids like gasoline or oils. Dry powder extinguishers, used for fires involving electrical equipment or combustible metals. Carbon dioxide extinguishers, used for fires involving electrical devices and electronic systems. Placement of fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers should be placed in clear and easily accessible locations, near hot spots or areas that may experience fires such as kitchens, electrical rooms, and storage areas. Importance of fire extinguishers in a factory. Fire extinguishers are essential devices that help control fires in their early stages, reducing material damage and protecting lives. Using them quickly and effectively can prevent fire spread and reduce its negative impact. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.